It's warm enough outside that we're going to do the painting out here. First step we're going to do is put all of this brown, and then I'm going to come back and trim the eyes in black, trim the outside here in black. I'll probably use the torch to dry the paint, and then I'll come back in and I'll put the white in here. All of this is white, but we're going to start with the brown layer because it's the most of it. His talons are very unique. They can grip in multiple different directions, and so even though this looks a little contorted here, a little bit of research went into it to try to figure out how do they land on a fairly flat surface like this. And it's rounded, but it's not like landing on a branch. How does that work? And so I studied pictures, and sure enough, they like have knuckles in their feet. That's what it looks like to me. That allows them to turn their talons different ways and grip hold of something. Sorry for a shot of the back of my head. I haven't gotten too tired of looking at the back of my head. I'm still learning how to stay out of the way of the camera. Here. This guy's toes done. How about that? right, I'm gonna stop messing with him and go get the finger sander, hook it up to the air compressor, and get rid of the paint where it does not belong, like all around the foundation. I got to get rid of the paint. Little bits of over paint I've got here around the edge of the body between the talons. I want to make sure to get all of that off, and we'll let it dry and see if I need to subdue this white anymore. I think I do. I already know the answer to that one. Brown is too brown. All right, I got the finger sander hooked up to air compressor. If you don't have one of these, any sanding method will do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit. Not as effective as I had hoped it would be. Yeah, that's working much better. Most of my carvings have been in the field, so I was excited to be back at the shop with the air compressor and the finger sander, but turns out I've been using this in the field and it's working great. I like it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. There are 9 videos in this series on how to carve the great horned owl. At the bottom of each video, 1 through 8, is a link to the next video. Down in the description, that'll help you follow, because sometimes I know when you get to the playlist, it gets a little confusing. And each title has the number in the series in it. If you found value in this, I'd appreciate it if you would like the videos, subscribe to my channel, share it with family and friends. That's how the YouTube algorithm figures out that we're providing something of value here at Made in Papa's Woodshop to you in YouTube, and then they start suggesting and offering it to other people. So thanks again for coming along on this journey with me. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you around in the next videos.